Meaning of iteration.
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 Iteration. In programming, iteration refers to the process of repeating a set of instructions until a specific condition is met. This is often accomplished through the use of loops, where a block of code is executed repeatedly until a certain condition is satisfied. The purpose of iteration is to automate repetitive tasks and to simplify complex processes by breaking them down into smaller steps that can be executed sequentially. Iteration is a fundamental concept in programming and is used in a wide range of applications, from simple scripts to large-scale software development projects.